You gotta imagine, guys, if somebody sees something that they like that they've never seen before and they can't get it anywhere else, they're gonna have to get it from you. You get what I'm saying? So that's why it's so genius. And something that's never, ever, ever gonna go out of business is clothing and apparel. Okay, family, so my time is very limited. Okay, guys, listen, I'm sorry about not uploading last night. I got a little busy. I've been very busy. I haven't been doing any retail arbitrage. For those of you that haven't seen my my update, because I did a little update, I haven't really sent anything in for the last week, but I made over $1,400 in 1 week so far with retail arbitrage. That's cool, that's dandy. But guys, I haven't even been doing any retail arbitrage. What I've been focusing on, last year around this time I made $800 profit. Well, it wasn't around this exact time, but it was like a little bit closer to the December. I made around $800 profit with Shopify, but it was within like a 3-week to 1 month radius, so I didn't really see the potential there. Like I pretty much like put it to the back burner. I took my earnings and I was like, okay, you know, let me hop into this this Amazon stuff really quick. Now, that was very stupid of me, guys, because what I know now, and I have many courses on, well, I've took many courses on this stuff. Let me open my computer really quick, just so I can, I'm gonna show you guys with the GoPro right here really fast. I'm looking at a course that I recently took not too long ago for Shopify print on demand. Here's all the like modules, right? Here's all the stage. Yeah. So I'm refeeding my brain on my Shopify stuff because I bought tons of courses, guys, and I made around, like I said, $800 profit with the Shopify last year, but it didn't happen as fast as I wanted to. But why I say I was stupid is because I didn't retarget the people that I didn't not retarget them. I didn't create a lookalike audience, right? I didn't do more advertising. I kind of like made that money and was just like happy, but I was like, okay, let me use some of this money, let me go do some retail arbitrage stuff, let me go do some private label stuff, right? So the thing is, if I would have kept going with that, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I probably would have been close to the millions in sales by now. I'm letting you guys know right here, right now, I'm about to create probably 2 to 3 Shopify print on demand stores that you guys are probably not gonna know about. It's just for my for me to test some, right? It's very easy, it's very straightforward, and if you know what you're doing, if you market, all Shopify print on demand is, and Shopify in general, even if you're doing drop shipping, is you just gotta get the right product in front of the right people. So if it's print on demand, guys, and you want to do poodle t-shirts, well, you got to target everybody who likes poodles or who have a poodle, you know, and be clever with it, guys. And that's exactly what I'm doing. And there's more to it than that, right? There's different ways. So you want to capture on a niche, capture on something that people love, like a specific group of people and what they like. Touch that passion, but you got to touch that passion in a tricky way. It's just not like people who like poodles and you show them something with a poodle on it. No, like you can do that, but that's a little bit broad. You want to go even deeper, guys, and that's the key to print on demand. And once you do that and you touch people in that way, they buy almost every time when they come to your site and it looks legit. And that's like the that's like the second thing that you must have in mind. The first or second, however, whatever order. There really is no order, but all of these things have to have a check mark next to them. So your site has to look good. You have to capture on people's emotions. And then after that, you have to retarget, right? And when I say retarget, I don't mean the same people. I mean lookalike audiences, right? I mean, Facebook's going through war right now with like people feeling like they're invading their privacy because they have so much data on people, guys. So all you have to do is utilize that data and you will make massive amounts of money, guys. And the thing about print on demand that I like, to be honest with you guys, is that it's never going to run out of business. It's never going to run out of style. You got to imagine, guys, if somebody sees something that they like that they've never seen before and they can't get it anywhere else, they're gonna have to get it from you. You get what I'm saying? So that's why it's so genius. And something that's never, ever, ever gonna go out of business is clothing and apparel. People need things to wear, and they don't want to wear the same thing that they had years ago. So always, people are looking for new shirts or new hats or new whatever, right? Clothing. So that's what I've been working on, guys. I'm brushing up on my course right now. The course that I took a little while ago. I have several courses, guys. I went through a point in my life where I was just like, you know what? All the paychecks I'm getting from actual work when I used to work, I'm putting to just knowledge and buying courses and just teaching myself stuff that I didn't even utilize yet, and stuff that I have tried and gotten a little bit of success from, and stuff that didn't necessarily even work out for me. But Shopify was one of those things that did work out for me. I just didn't, and I'm beating myself over the head for it. I just didn't keep going with it, guys. So, and to be honest with you, it's like so amazing. It's a beautiful feeling when you create something like that and people start buying it. It's like it's an amazing feeling, guys. And not only that, like, you can make a living. I mean, there's people, and I got fired up about getting back into this because I know several people right now, right, that are making easily $10,000 on one print-on-demand shirt. One shirt, $10,000 a month, easy. That's like the gateway. That's like the easy mark. Like, if you're making $10,000 on the shirt, you're doing pretty good. But it's not even like nothing major. This guy's making $100,000 on one print-on-demand design, guys. So I mean, if you have several, think about the possibilities. Now, for anyone who doesn't at least try this, I think they're crazy. So now with the drop shipping, there's a lot of cons to that, to the reason why I don't do drop shipping. And that's one of the business models that I did try, didn't do so well on. But print on demand, the same thing as Shopify, and I'm doing I've done pretty well on it. I just didn't see the money come as fast as I wanted, but I made an $800 profit within a 3.5 weeks radius. 3.5 weeks, I made $800 profit. That may not seem like a lot, but guys, I didn't do much. I didn't do much at all. I just created a design, the website was okay, and I made those sales just from a little bit of advertising. So now I'm gonna go back into it. Actually, that's gonna be one niche that I get back into, that exact niche, and I'm just gonna create it a lot better. And I'm gonna actually put that old shirt that I did create back on, and I have some other ideas. So guys, it's really, really simple. There's just simple steps you have to follow, right? And then once you follow these simple steps, it's pretty much like you can do it, right? So there is no guarantees, though. Just like with anything, it is a risk, right? But it's a risk that I am willing to take every single time. Like, for me, to be honest, if I make one niche Shopify print-on-demand store and it doesn't work, I'll be like, okay, I'll scratch that one, and then I'll make another one. If it doesn't work, I'll be like, okay, I'll scratch that one, I'll make another one. This is something that I will continue to try and try and try, because this is not something that you need like freaking $3,000 to start like private label, right? So this is something that I really think people should at least give a look into, do some research on it, and try it, guys. If you guys really, really want to know how to set it up and possibly get into this, comment down below, because if you do, then I'll do a little preview of what I'm doing, right? And then on top of that, I will probably make a crash course for Shopify, one of the official crash courses, guys. Go do some research right now. After you guys watch this, I don't care if you see it from me. Like, I don't like, this is the thing, I'm not like a greedy YouTuber type dude. Like, go into YouTube and type in Shopify print on demand profits, or Shopify print on demand. Like, just type that stuff in and do some research on it, guys. Do some research on the type of money that is being made with print on demand when done right. There's a guy that I know that he's actually this Asian guy. And you might see him when you search it. He's made $1 million, I think, in six months. $1 million off of one print on demand product. right? Just one, guys. So you guys gotta think about that. You can test and test and test and test. You can have a million ideas, but you just need one to work. If you get one shirt to work, you're looking at the bare minimum $10,000 a month. So guys, that's what I've been up to. I'm sorry I didn't upload the video yesterday. It wasn't this video. It was another video, but I didn't feel like really posting that one yet. So yeah, guys, this is what I've been up to. I've been making profits with retail arbitrage. I'll probably do some shopping this week, and yeah, everything's just going good, guys. So this is what I've been doing. Make sure you hit the subscribe if you're not a part of the family. If you do want to know how to resell and do Amazon FBA and do some retail arbitrage the right way, then watch some of my other videos. One of the main videos that you need will be linked down below if you are new to this channel, and that's just me showing you step by step how to get your product and ship it into Amazon and everything you need to know, and then all the materials that you're gonna need to do a retail arbitrage Amazon FBA. But for everybody else that's been here, or for those of you new that want to get into what I'm about to get into, drop a comment down below and I will show you guys how we're gonna get this done. And further, I will probably make it, I'm probably making anyway a crash course on this for the other people who have been constantly asking me about how to do print on demand. Guys, imagine your logo, or not even logo, imagine your design on a shirt, a sweater like this, and people buy it. People actually buy this stuff when you tap into the niche that they love. But it goes a little deeper than that, and I will explain that, the secrets, in my crash course when I make it. But if you show people this type of stuff, they will buy it. Alright, guys, with that being said, it's peace and love, family. We're going to do some retail arbitrage later this week. It's peace and love. Hit that subscribe. Hit that bell too while you're at it. I'm out. Peace.